Hello friends, I am Dr. Vijay Prakash and today I will be talking to you about how to do border molding and make final impression in a completely edentulous patient. So before going through this video, I will suggest that you watch my video on biological considerations of maxilla and mandible before coming here. So what do you mean by border molding? Now border molding by definition is basically shaping of the border areas of the impression material by manual manipulation of the soft tissue adjacent to the borders to duplicate the contours of the vestibule and the border areas. And the final impression means it is the impression that represents the completion of the registration of the surface or object. So border molding can be done in two ways. One is multi-step or incremental or sectional border molding, and second one is single step or simultaneous border molding. I'll be showing you both and we'll quickly go through this. Before doing border molding, you have a primary cast. This primary cast you have got through. Once you have made the primary impression, you have poured the cast and you have got the primary cast over this. You will be making a custom tray, and this custom tray you have to make sure that the borders are 2 millimeters short so that you can record you can do the border molding using a appropriate material. And the most commonly used material for doing border molding is green stick compound. This is the green stick compound or fusing compound, we can say, and green stick compound is usually used in a multi-step or sectional border molding. If you want to do a single step border molding, then you have to use a polyether impression material or even a soft putty material. So let us start with a multi-step or incremental or sectional border molding. Now for this I will be doing on a lower tray. We will take the lower tray first. Your lower, now you have to check wherever you have interferences, like you can see in the labial frenum region, buccal frenum region. You just mark it with the marker. जीभ को ऊपर लेके जाओ. Okay. Yes, in the borders also you have slide. You have to trim that excess so that you have enough material for recording. Enough material for recording the borders. Okay. Then you will start the border molding process. So you are going to roll over the green stick compound like this and place it in the lingual frenum region like this. Once you have done this, just place it in hot water, temper it in hot water. जीभ को बाहर निकालो, बाहर, दाएं लेके जाओ, बाएं लेके जाओ, जीभ को बाएं लेके जाओ, ऊपर तालू से लगाओ अपनी जीभ को. So you have to ask the patient to bring out his tongue, move the tongue right and left, and then ask the patient to touch the tip of the tongue on the palate. Of this material, you should remove it. This excess, only the green stick compound should be only on the border. Excess should be removed. So further we are going to add any increments in the mylohyoid region and the post-mylohyoid region. Like this you are going to add. Temper it in hot water and then place it in the patient's mouth. Ask the patient to make movements. जीभ को ऊपर लेके जाओ, दाएं लेके जाओ जीभ को, बाएं, दाएं. The functional movements of the tongue, you have to ask the patient to make the functional movements. Allow the material to set and you can remove this. Similarly, you are going to do it on the other side. जीभ को बाहर निकालो, दाएं लेके जाओ. Ask the patient to make functional tongue movements. ऊपर लेके जाओ, ताली से लगाओ. Now this is an important step which I am showing. This is where you have to record your mesenteric notch. So you add material. Soften the green stick compound, add it on the borders of the tray. Just heat this, temper it in hot water, place it in the patient's mouth and mold. Downwards, outwards, upwards. And ask the patient to close. बंद करिए, जोर से बंद करो, बंद करो. So when you are asking the patient to close against resistance, the masseter is getting activated and it will record over the buccinator fibers and you will be having the mesenteric notch. That is in this region. If you see, you can appreciate this. Similarly, you will be recording on the other side the mesenteric notch. Again, you will be repeating the same procedure. Heat it, temper it in hot water, place it in the patient's mouth. Downwards, outwards and upwards. And ask the patient to bite. बंद करो, जोर से बंद करो. This will activate the masseter over the buccinator and you will be able to record the mesenteric notch. Next increment you add it completely. Add the soft compound completely over there. Again heat it. Temper it in hot water. Make the movement. Downwards, outwards and upwards. Make these movements nicely.
स्टार्ट करिए.
So once you have done the border molding, then the next step is you remove the spacer and make the final impression. So here you will be removing the wax spacer like this. Create a space for the final impression. The purpose of spacer is to give space for the final impression material. The final impression material we will be using with a rigid inelastic material, that is the impression paste, zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. We will be mixing the free flowing so that we can take a proper final impression. We will be taking an equal length of the base and catalyst paste, which will be enough for the lower impression, the white paste and the brown paste. Winters it gets slightly sluggish. That's enough. This should be of equal length, although slightly rigid paste, white paste. So I have taken less in quantity. Now you just have to hold it and mix it. You can add Vaseline in this. Since it is slightly rigid, you can add Vaseline so that even mix, smooth homogeneous mix should be there. Now you should load this. You have a smooth homogeneous mix. Just load it onto the tray, custom tray. One more important step is, before placing this in the patient's mouth, you have to apply Vaseline on the patient's face. So that the material does not stick onto the patient's face. The loaded impression you are going to place in the patient's mouth. And you are going to make movements, the border molding movements. जीभ को बाहर निकालो, टेक आउट द टंग. दाएं में लेके जाओ, जीभ को बाहर निकालो पूरा. दाएं में लेके जाओ, ऊपर तालू से लगाओ, बाहर निकालो. दाएं में लेके जाओ, तालू से लगाओ. Again you will be making the mesotric notch. बंद करो, जोर से बंद करो. So you have to press bilaterally against resistance. That will help in recording the mesotric notch. So zinc oxide eugenol impression material, it helps in making a wash impression. That's the final impression. So a thin layer of zinc oxide eugenol paste is going to go over the border molded impression compound, and then we will be able to make final impression. We will allow this material to set. In order to know how when this material is setting, you just take some of this material, roll it into a ball and just leave it like this. Once it freely starts rolling, that means this material is set and you can remove it from the patient's mouth. This is how you determine that once you have this rolling, that means the impression material is set. It is you will be able to remove the impression. You want to remove this. Took the chair. So this is the final impression. Always wash the impression nicely and then examine the impression. So examine the impression properly. Any part needs correction, you can always do that.